Hello friends, my name is Manoj. In this video, we'll talk about what is structured data, what is unstructured data, and one is semi-structured data. Okay, so as we all know, what is data? Data is something, any fact, any entry, some file is there, is all known as data. Okay, so example of data. Let's suppose you have a movie file. Okay, you have your movie file. That's also a data. After that, you have some Word document, that also are data, and with that you have something called, let's just name it Word doc, and let's suppose you have some script file or some JSON file. So JSON file, that also a data. So now we have to see how we can categorize data. So data usually categorized in three things. One is structured data, one is unstructured data, and the third one is semi-structured data. So first of all, we'll see what is structured data. So structured data is something that you can store on tables. So anything or the data that you can store on table is known as structured data. So let's see as an example of the structured data. Let's suppose this is our data field, okay, or a relational database table. We have our entries over there and we have some number over there. So let's suppose this is 1, let's suppose my name Manoj, and here are my number 1 2 3 4 5 dot dot. This is my number. Another one, second Zim, and its number 3 4 5 6 dot dot dot, something number is there. Okay, so the data that you can store in this structured format is known as structured data, or in this relational database. Okay, now we'll talk about what is semi-structured data. So semi-structured data is basically partially it is stored in database and partially it is stored in file system or somewhere else. So there is no proper structure of data. It is a between the structured and unstructured data. So that is something known as the semi-structured data. The best example of this is our XML files, our JSON files. So these kind of data is known as semi-structured data. Okay, and after that our one more thing is left, that is unstructured data. So data that cannot be stored in relational database is known as unstructured data. Let's suppose you have your Word file, okay, you have your PDF file, you have your movie. So these things are known as unstructured data type. Unstructured data type, because these things cannot be stored in the relational database. So if you want to further learn about this topic, I just mentioned one of my text based tutorial link. You can also follow that, and for the more such content you can just follow me and subscribe me, and we'll catch up on the next one. Thank you.